welcome back to my channel. So today's shorter video is going to be me cleaning out my refrigerator. I just really need to tackle that, so I'm going to show you guys the before, the after when we get done, but there's just a lot of crud and gunk in my refrigerator right now that I just need to get it done. And I've been procrastinating about it even this morning, not wanting to do it, but told you guys that I would be doing that in my next short video, so that's what we're going to do today. So if you're new here, my name is Brandy. Would love to have you hit that subscribe button down below. If you like cleaning motivation, homemaking, inspiration, we do all those things here on my channel. I also have a vlog channel that is linked down below where we do day in the lives, cleaning, cooking, grocery hauls, a little bit of everything really, and sometimes I include that stuff here too, so it's kind of random. But if you guys like the content that I make, would love to have you subscribe and join the YouTube fam here. But let me show you this refrigerator. Alright, this is what we're working with today. So I wanted to show you guys this top shelf's probably the worst because it's been a long time since I've wiped it. But yeah, look at that crud. I mean, it's just gross. It's very unorganized, which I don't have a lot of containers to organize my fridge, which eventually I would love to get. And whenever I am able to get that kind of stuff, I will probably make another video. But I'm not going to be doing that today. And obviously we need to kind of restock some things because the fridge is just getting bare. And then look at all that nastiness down under here. Yuck. So I'm gonna take these drawers out, we're gonna wash them. It's been a really long time since I've taken everything out. Like, I've done touch-up wipes, but I haven't taken everything out. And then this just needs redone because I just don't like how everything is right now. And then all the condiments need to be gone through. I think they're still good, but I just need to kind of go through stuff, check it out, get rid of some stuff probably. We'll have to see. But I also don't know how bad the drawer is down underneath these because a lot of the times these will leak or something, and then there's something sticky in the bottom that I have to clean up. So this one looks kind of gross up here. It's not too bad, but I can see that there's just a lot of nasty stuff under there. So yeah, this fridge just needs a good cleaning. So let me give you guys an overview really quick. I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do Dawn dish soap, hot water is normally what I do. I just run my sink full of water, throw some Dawn in there. What I have right now is this kind that I get from Costco. You get this big jug and it lasts forever. So I get the Dawn Platinum. Removes 99% of grease and food residue. It works really good. I have seen a lot of people use the power wash, which I have tried it at my parents' house because they've bought it and I do really like it. So I might get some of that in the future, but this is what we're just gonna do today. So I'm gonna run my sink, hot water, put a little of this in, and we're gonna go to town. To town with cleaning, not literally go to town.
into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your hand, you're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your hand, you're everything that I desire, I desire. And every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your hand, you're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get
We need to restock soon probably, but we normally keep bottled soda down there. My husband likes his Diet Pepsi and Diet Mountain Dew. We normally keep that in the bottom. Any kind of pop like that. This shelf is my that drawer is my produce. As you can see, I have none. So, no produce. I have nothing healthy to eat right now. So, it is what it is. I'm making do with what I have right now. And then, this is what the condiments are looking like. So my husband is gonna see about ordering another shelf for this because I broke it a long time ago, and it would be really nice to have another shelf because all the condiments that I need to restock are not gonna fit over here. So I'm gonna have to move probably those pickles and put back on my shelf, which I don't like to do it that way. I'd rather keep them in the door than putting them in the fridge because this fridge just doesn't have a lot of room. One day I wanna get a bigger refrigerator, but that's not on my list right now. But one day I definitely want one of those bigger refrigerators and the bottom freezer maybe. Let me know if you guys have one of those and if you like them. Down below, I've heard mixed reviews, like some people like it, but some people don't, so let me know. That is gonna be all for today's video. Like I said, it was just like a short little cleaning video. Hopefully you guys got some motivation today, and hopefully you get your refrigerator cleaned out if you haven't done it in a while. We're gonna be doing some more deep cleaning, so stay tuned for that because I got a lot of stuff coming your way. All right, guys, I'll see you in Thursday's video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.